Learn how to make a simple coin purse by using the pockets of an old pair of jeans. To start with, you want to use a seam ripper to carefully remove the pockets from an old pair of jeans. Next, you want to get your zipper and top stitch the pockets to the small zipper on either side. When it comes to the zipper, you might actually be able to remove the zipper from the same pair of jeans as you got your pocket and use that. You just want to make sure that the zipper is approximately the right length to fit the lip of your pocket pieces. If it's not, then you'll need to get a zipper that measures the same length across the top as the top of your pockets. Sew the edges of the pocket to the zipper teeth, but leave the tails of the zipper free. After sewing the pockets to the zipper, you want to fold the zipper tails over onto the reverse side. You might want to hand stitch this part so that it won't be visible on the front of the pocket. Next, you want to line up the pockets with wrong sides together and top stitch through all the layers. You can match your top stitching with the stitching lines that are already visible on the pockets when they were sewn to your jeans. And that's it, you're already finished. You have a cute new jeans pocket coin purse.